Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a SIM card into your iPad in a really simple step-by-step, and also explain to you guys how you can install it, get a cellular data plan, and actually use it on the go instead of just the Wi-Fi. And we'll also discuss the way to determine if your iPad actually has cellular capability. As you know, iPad comes in Wi-Fi model and then a cellular model as well. But before we dive into today's video, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaway, so make sure that like and subscribe button. Also, if you guys are looking to get an updated iPad, make sure you guys check out the links in the description section. So let's talk about a cellular iPad. So to do the SIM card installation, you actually need a couple things. First thing you'll need is to have a SIM card that it has cellular SIM data. So you have to go ahead, contact your carrier to get that. So this is something additionally you'll have to pay on top of your phone plan or something like that. So make sure you get that. They'll give you a SIM card, and the SIM card usually it's going to be a nano size SIM card. So as you can see here, we have a Verizon one, but depending on your carrier, they're going to give you a SIM card to go with it. Next thing you'll need is actually a SIM ejector tool. As you can see, this tool comes in your packaging of your iPad. So if you have the original packaging, it's going to be, let's show you guys here, it's going to be pretty much inside. There's a packet, probably like instruction pamphlet like this. If you open that up, you'll probably find that SIM ejector tool. But if you didn't have that SIM ejector tool, you can also alternatively take a paper clip that you have, simply twist it, and it'll make it look like a tool that you can put it inside the SIM ejector hole, which we're going to show you guys in a second. Or if you don't even have that, if you have a old earring that you don't mind if it breaks or something like that, maybe you can use that as well. So those are a couple other tools you can use if you don't have the official tool for it. And lastly, of course, you need an iPad that has cellular capability. And the way to determine if iPad has cellular capability is if you go into settings and go to general and then about, you're going to see a carrier in the settings and such, and that's how you determine that your model of iPad has cellular capability. If you don't see a carrier or any of that information, it doesn't have cellular capability. Also, another way to determine is that strip right on the back here. So without further ado, let's show you guys how to install it. So most of the time, it's going to be like a hole that you see on the right hand side on your iPad, depending on the model. This is a mini iPad mini version, but similarly, it's applicable to other models as well. So look for it around the side for that little hole, and it's going to have that design on it where you can see it's like a cut in it. It could be on either side or on the top, depending on the model, of course. So look for that. Once you locate that, you're going to go ahead and take the SIM ejector tool or paper clip or earring piece, whatever you have. Simply just push that in there nice and firm. So as you can see, it's a little tricky, so you have to angle it at a specific way. So that's why you saw we were kind of struggling a little bit. Once you have that, you're going to want to go ahead, take that, and then take your SIM card tray, and you'll see there's a cut edge here. If you can see closely, that cut edge is going to match the cut edge of your SIM. So you want to put it on top, and then it's going to get flushed here. The copper is going to be on the bottom, the copper side. So if you see the copper side here, it's on the bottom, it's flushed against it. Now we're ready to insert or install our SIM card. Line the hole up again like you did, and then press it in and make sure it's flush. And now we have installed the SIM card. Now we should see on the top here is the cellular coming up here. So you're going to have to see, as you can see right now, it says no service because this SIM card we have doesn't have service. Or if you see this message and you know you have service, you might have to contact your carrier. But you'll eventually see the name of your carrier up there, and then 4G or 3G, whatever plan you have on it, and or LTE, and you should be good to go. Again, if it's not working, there's a couple reasons also, and to troubleshoot that is first thing, call your carrier to make sure that SIM card is active. And if you know it's active and it's not reading the SIM card, your iPad might not be unlocked. What unlock means is similar like with iPhones or any phones, is that it's locked to a specific carrier. So if you used it if you bought it from a carrier, it might still be locked with that carrier. You want to call that carrier up, have them unlock it, or buy one that's unlocked version. So you want to make sure that's also applicable. If you know it's unlocked and the SIM card still isn't reading, again, go ahead and power off the iPad by simply holding the power button and then turn it back on and see if it works. So hopefully those couple tips help you guys get cellular data and SIM card is working and you're good to go. So there you guys have it. That's the video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you guys found it useful, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks with your iPad, iPhone, and other electronic devices. See you guys next time.